y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all the styling installation process of this really pretty 18, I think it's 18 20-inch deep wave wig from Hot Beauty Hair. So they sent me this wig and it is a 13x4 frontal. So this is how much parting space you get, and it is lace all the way around. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So y'all already know Hot Beauty Hair will have you equipped and ready to go when it comes to the installs. You get a wig cap, you get a wig bag with some clips and an extra elastic band in it, and lastly you get the wig bag. So this is what the wig looks like when it first comes out of the box, and as you can see, that curl pattern ain't looking too it ain't looking too hot, but y'all already know that I'ma always put my own spin on it. So you get a comb on, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle and 1 comb in the back with a sewn in elastic band and an extra one in the back. So this is a 13x4 lace wig. So you're only gonna get mostly a lot of parting space in the middle and not on the sides. I mean, you'll have lace on the sides that'll make it look like you got a frontal, but that is what the lace is looking like. So I plucked it. After I bleached the knots, I washed it out, and I washed out the bleach and I washed the entire wig. So all I really had to do was just spray it just a tad bit because it was already wet, and I had to pluck it. So yeah, that's what the wig looks like after I plucked it. And to style it, I use Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink to kind of treat it like a wash and go, because I love to wear my deep wave, my deep curly, my kinky curly wigs as like a wash and go. I like to wear them fluffy. I like that first day hair look, and then I like the second day and the third day hair look. I just think it's real natural, and I don't have to do anything to it for about 3 to 4 days if I take it off at night. But you can see the technique I'm using. I'm scrunching it as though it were my natural hair. I scrunch it and then I separate the curls, and then I let it air dry. Looks like I've already been wearing it actually. So it has 1, 2, 3 combs, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and 1 comb in the back. I use this comb because like I obviously have a cap on. It has a built-in elastic band and it has one in the back. So like I said, I've already been wearing this, and you can wear it as a glueless wig, but it's like to use some kind of adhesive, just because it's like if you use an adhesive, then you kind of get somewhat of a better melt. My adhesive of choice is this Eben Wonder Lace adhesive. So I've really been liking this. I'm gonna do the tug test at the end so y'all can see how good it is. I styled this. I'm gonna do the tug test. Like, I haven't even put my elastic band on it. Like, come on now. I've been wearing this hair for a little minute, so I know how it acts, and I must say it does shed. It's curly wavy hair, so it's gonna shed, but I feel like you have to keep this hair either wet or going the same direction, that you can either twist it up or you can braid it up at night and you'll get like a really nice little wave curl pattern to it. But if you just sleep in it and you don't do anything to it, then it will look a hot mess. I wore it in a ponytail for like 2 days. Like, I pulled it back in a bun and it was looking a hot mess, and it was really hard to detangle. So if you're planning on wearing this wig, this is not a low maintenance wig. I would say it's like a medium maintenance wig, but it's cute though. I like it. It's really new to me. I haven't worn any colored textured hair. That I've worn that had color in it were always straight. Like I said, my only gripe with this wig is the shedding. So like every time I brush through it, I get at least like half a handful of hair. Not like half a handful, I would say like this much of a handful of hair, just because again it is curly wavy hair, so it's gonna shed. To the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.